Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a major Dollar Tree haul from cleaning, organization, and crafting. Follow along and see what I get. I'm so excited about this video. I'm going to start off with one of my favorite products to pick up at the Dollar Tree, and that is their gloves. They have a variety of designs, sizes, and types to pick up from. I love it because you can color code the tasks that you're going to do in your home, so the dishwashing could have one color and the bathroom cleaning task could have a different color. The next product I highly recommend is the LA's Totally Awesome Cleaner. I love this stuff. I use it on a daily basis to clean my stovetop, to clean my sink, to clean my counters. It gets rid of everything and anything. And this was just $1. I've seen it at other stores, which I will pop in the photo for you to see as well, for $3.99. So definitely get this product when you see it at the Dollar Tree store. It is worth the while. The next product I highly recommend for you to purchase at the Dollar Tree stores are their scrub brushes. They have different varieties, different sizes for every nook and cranny of your home. This one I typically use for the bathroom sink and the shower. The sponges at the Dollar Tree and the steel wool are a steal. Yes, pun intended, you cannot beat a package of 6 sponges and a package of 8 steel wools for only $1 each. Moving on to the soaps, I love the variety Dollar Tree has to offer. I love the fact that you can buy 32 ounces of refill soap for only $1, which I stock up on those, and then I buy a few of the pumps just to change them out every now and again. And you also have the alternative of buying the Palmolive Soft Touch for your dishwashing needs. The next best buy at the Dollar Tree are the bath sponges. I love it because you can change them out every couple of weeks and it's only $1. If you have kids or generally deal with kids, I guarantee you there's going to come a time where you're going to be needing this product called Goo Gone. Goo Gone is wonderful for removing any unwanted stickiness or adhesives off of the walls, such as stickers and what have you, or just generally speaking, if you have a label that you can't get rid of, this is the product for you to use. If you love to keep your house organized, the Dollar Tree has wonderful containers for you to choose from. If you need to organize your kitchen pantry, closet, school supplies, office, whatever the need, they have a container for it. You should check it out. I got this wonderful container at the Dollar Tree and it's perfect for organizing my closet as well as my crafting supplies. This one is perfect for cleaning the house, so you load it up with all the products that you need and you take it along with you from one place to the next instead of going back and forth to your main cleaning section. These were so cute. I had to get a couple for my closet. They came in a pink, a gray, and a teal. I love the pinks and they have this wonderful woven design on them, which I love, and it's going to be great for the smaller things in my closet. Just to give you a comparison, I walked into another store and saw these on the shelves for $34.99. It was a pack of 10. You didn't get to choose the types that you wanted in the pack. They were just a little bit more sturdier than the Dollar Tree store ones, but they also came in different variety of colors. But I still prefer the Dollar Tree ones because I can choose the ones that I like. I also got one of these collapsible fabric boxes for my closet by the door where we store mittens and scarves, and this was just the perfect box for it. Moving on to kitchen essentials, I love the bag clips that they have at the Dollar Tree store. They have jumbo ones with magnets on them, and then they have these animal ones, 3 for $1. So got a couple of these food containers because they were super durable, sturdy, BPA free, dishwasher safe, perfect for leftovers. I also got a couple of measuring cups from the Dollar Tree. This one is wonderful because it's got an extended handle, and then the other one measures up to 4 cups. There were so many cute jars at the Dollar Tree store this year, but I chose 3 of these so I can make preserves and jams and my clarified butter and pour it in and it's good to go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now I'm going to be sharing with you my life-changing life hack. I was having always a problem organizing my spices in my pantry. Whatever I did, things were falling over, toppling over, or I couldn't see everything at the same time. So I ended up buying multiple packages of spices thinking I didn't have it. I figured if I use this shoe organizer, which is clear, it's going to solve that issue, and it's going to be a space saver because I'm hanging this on the back of the door. So I'm going to show you how it looks and you will see what a life changer this is. And here we are. Here's my new spice organizer. You can see everything in clear sight. There's no moving the spices around to find the other hidden behind it, or having them staggered in different levels to find what you're looking for. And this saves me a ton of space with my pantry. All the shelf linings and the containers are from Dollar Tree, and it is so much more organized this way. I also used another shoe organizer for my baking needs to organize everything that I use commonly for my baking. Here is another organization tip. I got this pocket chart from the Dollar Tree school supply section, and I love it because it has clear pockets again, and it folds up to a more compact size. This works great to organize your jewelry, especially when you're traveling, so it doesn't tangle, or you can make it into a grab-and-go first aid kit. Next item is this over-the-chair pockets that I got from the Dollar Tree school supply section again, and this could also be used to organize items in your closet. It also has expanding elastic bands on both sides. I'm going to take this, fold it in half from the top, and do a fourth of a circle on the very top area. I'm turning this into a closet organizer as well, but you can definitely turn this into a paint apron if you have kids and they love to paint, or if they like to do art and you want to just protect them and their clothing. I also found this magnetic pocket with window in the school supplies section, and it is the perfect solution for organizing my recipes, especially when my husband is to do the cooking. All I have to do is load it up with the recipes and he can just grab it and follow the directions and get the cooking done. Alright, now it's time for some miscellaneous and fun items. So I picked up this avocado tool made by Crocker. My daughter loves to eat avocados multiple times throughout the day, so figured we'll give this one a quick try. Next up, it's this bed scraper I picked up, which is wonderful and ideal for me because I bake a lot of cakes and I do a lot of them with fondant. I hope to share that with you on my channel one day, but this will help me smooth out the icing even more. And then I also picked up a Crocker brand pizza cutter, which is always handy around the kitchen and when I'm doing fondant. I was pleasantly shocked to see this next item at the Dollar Tree store, and it is a case for your smartphone that you strap onto your arm when you're working out. It's wonderful because you can keep your music close to you while you jam and do your workout. A lot of the items now at the Dollar Tree kitchen section are Crocker brand, including these scissors, which is wonderful for the kitchen when I'm cutting up green onions or things of that sort. It works out perfectly. And then I also picked up some magnetic bag clips again. We can never have enough bag clips in our house. I was so happy to find these because I'm notorious for burning my fingers with the glue gun when I'm crafting. So these are silicone finger protectors, and they're supposed to withstand the heat of a glue gun and protect your skin while you work with it. So I'm very, very thrilled about this one. Next up, I picked up a couple of these massagers, which was a great find because I've seen these go from $17 to $20 at other stores, and they're quite fun to use. I also picked up 2 different kinds of garden shears, which they have locking mechanisms I love, and some scissors for crafting. I love to keep candles at my home, so I picked up these linen scented tea candles as well as this lighter, which also has a lock mechanism. The region that I live in is notorious for having power outages as well as tornadoes, so it's nice to have these long-lasting emergency candles on hand for those times when needed. This is a meat shredder or chopper, and it's great if you have like chicken breasts in a crock pot and you don't want to shred the meat. You basically smash it with this device and it shreds it for you. I also picked up a package of these chopping mats, and there's 2 per package, which is great when I'm doing my fondant work or my daughter is making things out of clay. This brand name Polaroid tempered glass screen protector was also a great find. Just to test it out, I also picked up this silicone makeup blender to see how it works. I used it the next day and I was kind of partial on it. It wasn't that great, it wasn't that bad, it was just like, it's there. And this was just a fun thing to try out for my kiddos. It was this LED light projector, and it's supposed to project a heart shape. We went home and tried it, and this is what it looks like. It does require AAA batteries, so make sure to pick that up if you're picking this up too. These glow sticks looked fun and cute, so I picked up a package of those. Something I've never tried before is silly string, so I figured, why not now? Alright, we're finally at my favorite section, and that is the crafting section, and I think a lot of people will agree with this. But they have such great items, and every year it seems like they improve their items and bring more and more interesting things and more affordable things and more things you can make other things with, which is great. We're going to get crafting with some of the items that I picked up. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will know when I do post those videos. One of the fun finds at the store were these chalk writers, which came in different colors. I picked up a bunch of crafting supplies, which I will go through it all with you. These windows were so adorable. They came in a black, a white, a gray, and a cream color. I picked up a couple of the grays and a couple of the whites. These clay pots may come in handy for a project with the windows. Still thinking about it. This was from the gardening section. These glass gems are a nice find because they can be used in different crafting projects. These terrarium planters are so cute because you can make miniature seasonal sceneries in it. Some shells just in case if I have any nautical projects to do. Beads to add texture to projects. Some floral moss. Styrofoam balls and styrofoam cubes. This cute galvanized planter. Another galvanized planter. A couple of these galvanized wall vases. Some ribbon, especially with Easter coming along. Loved the color on these candle jars. They came in a pink and a purple, as well as these white candle holders. These would be super cute together, especially on the mantle or on the table for spring or summer. I got a few good ideas on how to use these trays for a farmhouse look. These wood pallets are also going to become another project. Oh my gosh, check out these cute mason jars with the candle holders. I love these so much. Imagine having these on a dinner table outside during the summertime. So beautiful. These would also be wonderful for a, I guess, micro wedding or something like that. I also found these alternative lids which would fit perfectly on the mason jars, just in case if I wanted to hang them off of the wall. Dollar Tree had a few different varieties to choose from for these lids, and they were all so cute. And these were the adaptable lids if you wanted to do flower arrangements inside the mason jars. I got this toolbox from the Dollar Tree tool section, and I figured I can definitely use this to organize my paints and brushes for my crafting. I also got a bunch of spring and Easter crafting supplies, which I will be making a bunch of Dollar Tree related DIY projects, so make sure you follow along for those videos upcoming. These glittery eggs were gorgeous. The only items that I didn't get at the Dollar Tree were the Spanish moss and the spheres. Of course, the galvanized planters, some flowers, these cute little itty bitty carrots, a garland made out of bunnies, the ribbon you saw as well. So follow along. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell. Make sure you guys share this video with a family or a friend. I hope this video inspired you guys to get some products from the Dollar Tree store and try it for yourself. I also want to note that this video was not sponsored whatsoever. It is completely my own opinions of the products that I typically buy and use from the Dollar Tree and some of the new ones that I'm going to be trying out. So if you guys want to comment down below and let me know if you've tried any of the products and share your thoughts with me, I would greatly appreciate it. Until the next time, guys, I hope to see you back soon again for some of the Dollar Tree DIY projects that I will be doing. Take care and see you back soon.